we will be working on the dimensions. Okay, beta. Tell me the answer, Khushi.
Ma'am, 1.39 into 10 to the power 9 meter.
1.39 into 10 raised to power 9 meter. This you are saying now, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let us wait for Shalini also and Khushi Yadav also. Shalini, how much time you will take, beta? Are you getting it? How to do?
Ma'am, I wrote the answer in chat box.
Okay, okay, just a second. I'm on the screen of PDF. Shalini is also having the same 1.3 into 10 raised to power 9. Beta unit? SI unit?
Meter.
Meter. Khushi Yadav?
Yes, ma'am, this is only the answer.
This is only the answer. Okay, let us check then. Amol, you are also having the same? Okay, अनिका चलिए फिर तो सेम ही होगा. अनिका जी ने बोला है. Okay. Sun's angular diameter is alpha. Alpha you are going to convert as it is in seconds beta. So we will be using the conversion method of second only. Okay, conversion value of second only. So we will be multiplying it and we will be having this as angular diameter's value. Now sun's diameter D is equals to alpha into D. This is coming from the formula alpha is equals to D upon capital D. Okay, from there it is coming like theta equals to L upon R. The same formula it is, nothing new in there. Now alpha we are having, D we are having, and on multiplying we will be having this answer. Okay, moving back to the PPT then. So these two methods are already done over there. Numericals also done. Then there is a coming, there comes a method of echo that we all have done in our 9th class. So numericals won't be asked to you all from this particular method. Okay, but echo, if we talk about the echo, so all of you must remember that whenever sound or any particular wave travels from its source and it just goes further, it strikes to a surface over there and it is coming back to the direction from which it was going, or it is coming back to the same side from it was going. Here is the sender on this place and here is the receiver on the other end. So this process of transferring this waves, these vibrations is known as echo, in which we simply use this method to calculate the distance of the cliff, or we use this to calculate the proper height of the cliff that which will be further over there. So right now I just want to talk about the distance only. So you can see that this wave is traveling the distance twice. So 2s will be the distance. And time taken, it could be observed obviously from the watch ki how much time is it is taking by just going and coming back. So displacement or distance covered over there with respect to time would be calculated as speed. Or if I just want the distance only from this particular situation, so v into t multiply with this 2, then we will be having this formula. So that echo method you have seen in your previous classes also. This is the same, nothing new is there. And after that, we have talked about the estimation of very small distances. These all things are already mentioned in your books, beta. They are just for the sake of the knowledge. Like you all must know about the numerical values, the lowest numerical value, I must say, that we can measure nowadays. Right now we are having the diameter of nucleus also. Right now we are having the smallest size as the size of the nucleus or the diameter of the nucleus only. And we are having lots of methods over there with the help of which we are measuring this much small distances. Because in routine life, so we are using inch tapes, we are using centimeter scales, we are using meter scales. But when we go to the macroscopic and microscopic levels, in those levels we can talk about different methods that we are having. Some methods involve the resolution techniques using the microscopes also. Microscopes you must have visit in your biology labs over there. Yes, microscope you all have seen just for that layer, that onion layer. Have you seen that?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो माइक्रोस्कोप
Yes, ma'am.
से जो आपको ऑनियन लेयर का इमेज नजर आता है, हैव यू सीन दैट इमेज इन योर रूटीन लाइफ आल्सो? No. So that is a example only. That microscope is for student level only, means for school purpose only. But if you go to the laboratories where these experiments are being held, there these microscopes are not present. They are very fine microscopes are present, and in those microscopes resolution is so that the yellow light which is coming from any bulb that you are able to see in any room, that you can see any single line is coming, those microscopes can split this yellow light into further 7 parts. They are having this much resolution power that they can break a single ray or a single beam of light also. So lots of things are there which we are using right nowadays. And another method of tunneling microscopy is there, which is developed over there just to have the value of angstrom. Angstrom you all know, 10 raised to power minus 10. Do you know about angstrom? This value? Generally in chemistry we are using this till now. Yes, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Why we use angstrom? कहाँ पे किया आपने एंगस्ट्रॉम का यूज? कैसे न्यूमेरिकल्स में आता है ये? बताइए किस तरीके के न्यूमेरिकल्स में आता है, कैसी वैल्यूज के साथ हम लोग एंगस्ट्रॉम लगाते हैं? अरे यहाँ पे क्या लिखा हुआ है?
Wavelength of light.
हाँ, वेवलेंथ ऑफ लाइट. यहाँ पे देखो 4000 एंगस्ट्रॉम, 7000 एंगस्ट्रॉम. आप लोगों ने और कुछ अगर मैं बात नहीं करूं, आप लोगों ने 7 रे स्पेक्ट्रम तो देखा है ना, जो आपका विबग्योर पैटर्न होता है?
यस मैम.
मालूम है उसके बारे में? अच्छा, तो V2R तक जो आपके पास ये कलर्स होते हैं, हम लोग ये बोलते हैं कि एक प्रिज्म होता है हमारे पास, उस पे एक व्हाइट लाइट फॉल होती है and then it break down into its 7 constituent colors. Anybody knows the reason why it is breaking up?
Ma'am, dispersion of light.
Dispersion of light.
Don't tell me the phenomena. I want the reason why they are breaking up. क्यों ब्रेक होता है ये 7 कलर्स में? मुझे इसका कारण बताइए. मुझे ऐसे क्यों लग रहा है कि किसी को नहीं पता है.
मैम आपको पता बता दीजिए.
बेटा 10th में करके आई हूँ जस्ट नाउ. As the structure is tending to make them slip